Government of Manipur has conditionally lifted suspension of broadband internet services, including ILL and FTTH, in 5 districts, including Imphal West, Imphal East, Thoubal, Kukching and Bishnupur, while continuing the ban on mobile internet and data services. The decision was issued by the Home Department on April 8 follows a review of the prevailing law and order situation and hardships faced by the public due to the internet shutdown imposed on April 7. Authorities stated that the restoration of broadband services is subject to strict conditions, including prohibition of Wi-Fi hotspots, mandatory MSC binding, blocking of social media and VPNs, daily password changes and strict monitoring by subscribers who will be held personally responsible for any violations. The order further stated that mobile internet services will remain suspended due to concerns over spread of misinformation and potential for mobilization of unrest through social media platforms. The government cited technical limitations in regulating mobile data services and ongoing security apprehensions as reasons for continuing the ban. Officials have directed all service providers and concerned authorities to ensure strict compliance, warning that any violation of the conditions will invite legal action under relevant laws.